this is Noreen from Joya Cards, and I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Yay! For more of my Stampin' Up! Card videos, make sure you click on the subscribe button. It's right down there. And then that bell when you pull that up, and you'll be the first to be notified when I post new videos. So anyway, this is my Snowflake Wishes Christmas Card, and guess what? I do give away my demo cards. So if you're a first-time subscriber and you put in the comments, oh, I like that card, and put your email so I could talk to you, because if you just subscribe and not put an email and just write a comment, I can't talk to you. But put your email in there, I'll email you back and let you know if you won the card. So yay, so I give these away. Anyway, so let's go ahead and start first with our base, which is Blackberry Bliss, the 5.5 by 4.25 kind of normal stuff. And let's go on the inside first. So the inside is pretty simple. We use a Seaside spray and it's cut in 5.25 by 4. So just mount that up. And then we got shimmery white, and this is cut 3.75 by 5, and we're just gonna put that on there. And let's go ahead and just do some stamping. Now the stamp, I'm only using one stamp set today, and it's Snowflake Wishes. I'm also using 2 die sets. For the sentiment, it's Hippo and Friends, and the stars is gonna be So Many Snowflakes. So let's go ahead and grab our Blackberry Bliss. And one of the sentiments in there is that Snowflake Wishes. So I'm going to stamp that up really good. It's kind of an interesting color. You would think it would be darker than it is, but it's not. So I'm making sure that I stamp it up real good. And I just plop that on there. Yay. And then the second color is Seaside Spray, and we're going to grab those little snowflakes from here and stamp, 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 stamp. And just put that right there. Alrighty. Now to the front. So we're gonna cut a piece of the Snowflake Splendor, and this is a cool paper. And let's grab our little silicone craft sheet, and we're gonna cut some pieces of the Snowflake Splendor ribbon, and this is a really cool ribbon. It's like iridescent or something, but it's really cool. So just cut off a couple little pieces. We're just going to put them in the corner here. So let's move to the back and just snail up some stuff here and pull it to the front, and I'm just going to put it on the corners. You got the ribbon on, and do put a little bit of snail underneath this ribbon on the top so it holds it down. So let's go ahead and put it on our base. Our next step is going to be grabbing the sentiment from our Snowflake Wishes and back to that Blackberry Bliss, and we're going to ink it up real good and stamp it. And there's our sentiment. Then we're going to go ahead and grab a bunch of dimensionals and put it on there, and I'm going to get ready to stick it on. I'll be right back. I got it dimensionaled, and I'm going to stick it right there in the corner just at the edge of the blue. And now we're going to do our snowflakes. Now what I did is I cut 3 stars per, or 3 snowflakes per, and in white. And I'm going to take some of the fine tip glue. If you don't have any of this glue, it's absolutely fantastic. It's in the catalog. It's part number 138309. If you don't already have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, just shoot me an email at noreen@joyacards.com, or you can go on my Stampin' Up! Site directly. It's noreenbrungart.stampinup.net. And so we're going to take these, and I'm going to glue 3 of these at a time. So that's 2 there, and then here's my third one. This glue is great though. If you've ever had any of this fine tip glue where it gets clogged all the time and you just can't unclog it, this stuff is awesome because it has the pin goes all the way down in, and you can screw it on, and then you can take out a clog if you have one. So I've got these directly over each other like that. So that's 3 thick. Now, the trick to this, because I was doing this card and I thought, oh, these are so cute. Now, this is in, I forgot to mention, these are in the balmy blue glitter paper. And if I just put it on like this, it kind of gets lost. So what I decided to do, other than making these three piles thick here on the snowflake, is when I put on the glitter onto the white here, I'm gonna offset it just a little bit so that white shows through, because I want it to stick out in that beautiful DS paper, because this is that Snowflake Splendor, and it's absolutely beautiful. So if you notice, I'm just a little offset here, so you do see the white. So when you do put it on, it sticks out more. So I'm gonna do the other two and I'll be right back. I've got all three of these done. There are 3 layers of white and 1 layer of the balmy blue glitter. And this was all done with the die from So Many Snowflakes, and it's this one. So you can see it's that size. So let's go ahead and snail this up and put them on the card. So I'm just gonna use snail because these are so thick that it's not gonna matter. So I'm gonna just put it one here, one up here, and one I'm gonna have just toggle over the sentiment real quick. And now we get to bling it up. So I'm gonna take the large of the blue adhesive back gems. These are really nice. I'm gonna order some more of these because I know I'm gonna use them big time, especially with all the snowflake and stars and everything that we have. It's like, yeah, this is gonna go quick. And then I'm gonna grab the small blue ones as well. So there's like a light blue and a dark blue. So I'm going to use just the light blue ones and stick them up on that iridescent ribbon, which is absolutely beautiful. And that's the card. And like I said, if you are a first-time subscriber and you write a comment and put your email in the comments, you might be the first one to make a comment and you could win the demo card. So that is the card. And if you don't have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, or you are a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, subscribe. I don't care. Case my cards. And that'll do it. So thank you. Bye.